Hello everyone, what we have over here is a Nitro Pepsi. According to the instructions, we need to chill it and then pour it hard and then drink it. So we're gonna kind of do this second step a little bit differently. What we're gonna do is we're gonna tilt it 45 degrees and then open the can very, very slowly so that the nitro doesn't escape right away. Once you hear the entire nitro out of the can, you can go ahead and pour it hard. So what this does is it gives you a little bit overflow, but what it does is that it gives you the perfectly balanced Nitro Pepsi instead of the poor instructions that they have on the can.